Hello everyone, today's video is all about urban sketching. In architecture, especially during the foundation years, sketching or sketch notes is much more than just a drawing exercise. It helps us observe better and build the habit of analysis. In this video, I'll show you how I sketched a scene from the Cantonment area of Pune during one of my travels. Sketching for me is a discipline. It's not perfection. Think of it like your signature. Nobody ever taught you how to sign your name, right? Yet, every signature is unique and sketching is the same. It develops your way of thinking and slowly shapes your own style. For me, it all starts with making a decision, choosing a static point of view that captures the maximum information on site. Break down what you see into simple geometric shapes. This helps you understand the layers better. Use the horizontal and vertical lines to get your scale and proportions right. And don't be afraid of perspective. Even if it feels wrong at first, just try to keep things in proportion. I often add small human figure for reference so that my scale is in proportion. Lastly, move towards detailing and adding depth. That's what completes the sketch. In the end, you can decide whether you keep the sketch black and white or color it. That's completely up to you. This is today's sketch and this is just the beginning. In the next video, I'll show you how to take your sketch further, turning it into an analysis tool and even into an infographics that can communicate ideas more clearly. So stay tuned and let's make sketching not just a habit, but a way of seeing the world. Thank you.